Welcome to USA Alert Zone, your trusted source for immigration updates. If you or someone you know has a court date coming up, listen carefully. ICE isn't waiting for you to miss court anymore. They're waiting for you to leave it. Yes, ICE agents are showing up outside courthouses, in plain clothes, ready to arrest specific immigrants right after their hearings. Let's break down what's happening and what you must do to stay safe in 2025. ICE is now outside immigration courts. In recent weeks, ICE has been spotted waiting outside immigration courts in cities like New York, Miami, Phoenix, and Virginia. They're not targeting random people. They're waiting for individuals whose cases were just dismissed. Many were arrested right after leaving court. Some didn't even realize their case had been closed until they were already in ICE custody. Why now? Fast-track deportations are back. ICE is prioritizing immigrants who've been in the U.S. for less than 2 years. They're using expedited removal, bypassing full court hearings in some cases. Dismissed case? It might be a trap. Think a dismissed case is good news? Not always. If you're seeking asylum, family-based petitions, or green cards through court, a dismissal could actually cut off your legal pathway. Ask yourself, am I better off staying in court to pursue relief? Do I have a solid case that deserves to be heard? Dismissal might seem like freedom, but for many, it's just a setup for ICE to arrest you immediately afterward. How to stay safer? Request a virtual hearing. Ask your lawyer to file a motion for a WebEx hearing. It lets you attend court remotely. Many immigration judges are granting these due to rising safety concerns. If your motion is denied and you're required to appear in person, do not skip court. Doing so results in an automatic removal order. Instead, work with your lawyer to create a safety plan, including appointing a guardian for your children, preparing a will or living trust, sharing your court details with family, knowing your legal rights if detained. USCIS and ICE are now working closer than ever. The new twist? ICE is now arresting people during routine USCIS appointments, including green card interviews and citizenship interviews. If you have a criminal history, prior deportation order, or past fraud, you're now high risk. USCIS is sharing more data with ICE, including denied petitions, aliases, and prior immigration filings, making it easier to target individuals with past issues. They're reopening closed cases. ICE is also pulling old deportation cases back into court. If your case was administratively closed years ago, it could now be reactivated. By July, thousands of these closed cases will be re-added to court dockets. If your address or attorney information is outdated, you might miss your hearing, and that means automatic deportation. What you must do: confirm your address with immigration court. Check if your attorney is still listed. Hire new legal help if needed. Congress's big, beautiful bill. What's inside? Recently, the House passed a bill pouring billions into ICE funding, detention expansion, and deportation efforts. Highlights include $1,000 asylum application fee. Work permits now expire every 6 months. Massive hiring to ramp up arrests. While the bill hasn't passed the Senate yet, immigration enforcement will increase regardless of its final form. Green card holders. Are you at risk? Most green card holders are safe, but not all. The government is now reviewing cases involving old criminal records, fraud in previous immigration applications, alias use in asylum or past filings. If you fall under any of these, especially if you plan to naturalize, talk to a qualified immigration attorney before applying. Past issues can resurface and trigger removal even if your green card is valid. Is it still safe to travel? If you're a green card holder without criminal or removal history, travel is generally safe.
Hello.
But if you have unresolved issues, expect secondary inspection at airports, extra questioning, and potential IC follow-ups. Who's most at risk right now? Immigrants with criminal charges, even old ones. People with past removal orders. Those who used false names or documents. Applicants for naturalization with unresolved issues. New arrivals, under 2 years in the U.S. Final advice: stay safe, stay ready. Here's your action plan. Attend court, but request WebEx if possible. Don't assume dismissal is safe. Evaluate your case. Update your court contact info immediately. Talk to a lawyer if you plan to naturalize or travel. Watch for changes to the Senate's immigration bill. Have a safety plan if arrested, guardianship, finances, legal help. This is a new era in immigration. But you're not alone. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for urgent updates from USA Alert Zone. Stay informed, stay protected, stay free.